Vivo is set to launch its X200 series phone tomorrow in China. The lineup includes 3 models: the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro, and Vivo X200 Pro Mini. We already see Vivo X200 Pro Mini first look hands-on video. Now Vivo X200 Pro Mini live shots showcase compact design with ultra-thin bezels, color options, and new video comparison. Vivo X200 Pro Mini with Xiaomi 14. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini come in black, white, green, and pink shades. Leaks in real-life images. In another image, the device is placed alongside the iPhone 16 Pro. The X200 series leaked configurations along with their prices. The Pro Mini will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with flagship-level features, including a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The X200 Pro Mini is expected to line up with the Sony 50MP LYT818 as its primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 200MP periscope telephoto camera. These 3 handsets will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. The X200 and X200 Pro may hit the global market in the first quarter of 2025. There is no clarity about whether the X200 Pro Mini will be released globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.